The Woodhaven Whitetail Ninja, it just sounds real.
The Flex Tube allows me to adjust the tone of the grunts depending on the time of year or where I'm at in the country.
The Woodhaven call is designed where you can grunt soft or loud as well.
And best of all, that call won't lock up on you when you're calling to that old sad daddy buck. The old saying goes, curiosity killed the cat, but also the dominant buck.
It has a built-in snort wheeze call for added realism. And my favorite part is it's made in the USA.